Hi guys, welcome to Active4 channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Active4 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your games are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store where we press on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see now, we have page 3. To visible game as Mobile Legends games or something like that, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can easily change it, but tap on maybe allow are included underrated and confirm all by understood and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!